Here's a look at the market for Wednesday, July 8th, 2009. We like to take a look at these market profiles. That's really the basis of our analysis of the market on a day-to-day basis with eMiniDayTrader.com. Here is the market profile and volume profile from the overnight session, and here's the market profile and volume profile from today. We had mentioned yesterday on the video that the resistance area was approximately 880 up to approximately 883, and as you can see in the overnight session, it traded close to it and a little bit above it in the regular trading hours, and then continued the down auction. So not a surprise, and good to see that that reference area that we were mentioning held so strongly. The market went down and hit that 71 area that we were mentioning as possible support. On an intraday basis, it hit 70.50 and then had a pretty good bounce, and then came down below it. But as you can see, late in the day, after making the low at 65.25, it had about a 14-point rally. So we really think that the market is likely to find some support in that 71 area again, so in other words, the immediate support and resistance is going to range from approximately 71 down here to approximately 83, the same resistance area up in here. Here's our profiles on just the regular day session, and you can see after we made the high last Thursday, or I guess that was last Wednesday was the high, this was Thursday, and then the short trading day on Friday here. The market has really just continued to move lower. So really the next area of support is around 751, and if the market can hold for a longer period of time tomorrow below 71, it's likely to go down and hit that 51. I can see it happening. I really don't think it's going to happen tomorrow, but of course anything is possible. As far as our trades were concerned today, once again we had several trades. We had a couple of nice decelerations here. Unfortunately, the first one we got stopped out on, but the second one was a short at 82, ran down 4 points in our favor, and then we were stopped out on the final partial for a 2.25 point gain. We then were able to get short again in the market right in here as it made new lows using our balance area, and that short also moved nicely for us, another 4 points. So once again another 2.25 point gain on our final partial, and of course this was after the taking profits on the first half of the position and the second or third, fourth of the position, as we divide our trade management into 3 different sections. We get out of half of our position at our first objective of 3 ticks, out of 1/4 of our position at plus 6 ticks, and then we use our paint bars to help us manage the exit on the final partial position, which is 1/4 of the position. When the market rallied up in this area, we also got short. Unfortunately, this is just when the news was released on the auction, and it was surprisingly very positive, and we ended up by getting stopped out on that trade. We had another couple of trades that ended up by being break even. We did get long in here after this deceleration, but it turned out to be a break-even trade. And then we had another long trade in here that was also stopped out at break-even. So it was an okay day of trading. I mean, these first couple of trades here were well, not the very first one because we got stopped out on. It was a pretty aggressive trade, but the second and third trades were great. Really didn't move against us at all. Moved 4 points in our direction. If the first trade hadn't moved or bounced as much as it did while it was selling off, that would have been a tremendous trade, short from 82 all the way down to 70. So that 70.50, I guess. But at any rate, another good day of trading. We look forward to more of the same. If you've got any questions or comments, please contact us at info@eMiniDayTrader.com, or just view some of our text and videos on the website at eMiniDayTrader.com. So that'll be it for Wednesday, July 8th, 2009.